Hello there, my two lives. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss in the house. Yeah. I'm so glad that you guys decided to come on back here. For the new people that decided to tune in today's video, welcome, 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 welcome. I'm so glad that you decided to stop by and check out today's content. I hope by the end of this video, you decide to give me a big thumbs up in support of this video, in support of this channel. Hit that bell's notification so that you can stay updated on new videos that are released. And hit that subscribe button because it's absolutely free to be a part of this Tulip Nation. Yeah. So as you know, I am 7 months into this here lock journey. Y'all, look at that stubborn lock. Baby, she says she go do what she want to do, period. Period. Okay? Okay, but enough about that. Anyway, so I'm 7 months into my lock journey. As you guys know, I just love saying I'm 7 months in. But we ain't gonna rub it in. Anyway, I'm moving right along into my lock journey, and y'all, it is wash day. It is wash day, hunty. Y'all have not been a part of my wash day with me, and today it's not going to be any different. I'm just not really ready yet. I guess once I get some length, I'll be really ready to share my hair wash process. But I want to talk about this new shampoo that I'm going to give a try. I've used it in the past when I was a loose natural, and that was years ago. And I believe I may have done a video about it, but y'all, I can't even remember what my thoughts were back then about this particular product. But what I will do is link the card right above for you to check out if you're just curious what my thoughts were about this product when I was a loose natural. I decided to revert back to this product because I was doing some searching trying to find a new cleansing or clarifying shampoo that I can use in my locks, and it brought me to this particular product. And this product that I'm speaking of specifically, and you guys saw it in the thumbnail, but it's the GIOVANNI shampoo line or hair line. I decided to go with them again because they had this hydrating clarifying shampoo, and I definitely wanted to try something that would hydrate my locks because at times my hair tends to look extremely dry and maybe even feels a little bit dry. So I wanted to use something that would hydrate my hair but at the same time cleanse, clarify my locks. So we are going to give GIOVANNI a try. This is the 50-50 balanced hydrating clarifying shampoo for normal hair, for any of you guys that are wondering. The purpose of this product is the following: protects overworked, overprocessed, and color fretted hair while locking in color with shine. Well, I don't have color treated hair, so I don't have to worry about that part. It's color safe and it is vegan. There is no harmful sulfates, PGs, parabens, mineral oil, propylene, glycol, phthalates, artificial dyes. So definitely love that about this particular product. So basically what this product is supposed to do is hydrate my hair, smooth down or frizz, because if you get really close up on me right now, I'm still dealing with a little frizz. So we're going to see what it's going to do about that. It's going to leave my hair pH balanced. And it is ideal for overworked hair and environmentally stressed hair. So yeah, I may have some environmentally stressed hair, but I don't really do much to my hair as far as styling. The way you see it is the way it is. When I put a headband on, I'm just pushing it back. So I'm not really manipulating my locks in any way. For the most part, it just does what it wants to do. So I mainly wanted to try the shampoo again for the hydrating purposes and the cleansing purposes, and to just relax my hair from the environmental stresses. And that's pretty much it for me. This product is extremely easy to use. You just massage it into your hair and then you rinse. Now, for anybody that's a loose natural, or for any lock people out there that are applying conditioners, the product does say follow up with this conditioner afterwards. However, I won't be doing that today. So keep your fingers crossed that everything turns out for the best. By the time I come back, I won't be made up like this because I would have jumped in the shower. But we're going to see what my locks feel like afterwards. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I have just got done jumping out of the shower and washing my hair and all of that juice. So let me just tell you guys right off the bat, the lather was undeniably leathery. Okay, it's very leathery. It really just took no more than anywhere from a dime to a nickel size of the product to apply it to your hair for it, in my opinion, for you to be able to get it all throughout your hair and scalp. The smell was absolutely ridiculous. I personally did not like the smell. I really don't have anything I can compare it to. In my opinion, it did not smell sweet. It didn't smell like it had anything in it at all, which is no complaint. If you prefer no scent, fine. But whatever the smell was, it wasn't a perfume scent, but I didn't like whatever it smelled like. Anyway, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take my towel down. So this is what my hair looks like after washing it with just the shampoo. It appeared to have done a good job with the cleansing of my scalp. I don't see too bad of residue. Part, it looked as though it truly cleansed my scalp, cleansed my hair. I had maybe a few locks here or there that probably could have been cleaned a little bit better, but besides those 2 or 3, predominantly my hair, my scalp was cleansed. So I don't know, this will definitely continue to be a reuse until it's gone. I'm going to continue to monitor how my hair does with this product, and I'll follow back up with you guys regarding this product maybe within the next 60 days. That should allow me enough time to use more of the product. Today was more so of an initial review of the product in my locks. So we'll see 30-60 days how I'm feeling about the product, if I'm liking it or not. That I did not mention early on in this video was the price of this product, the price of Giovanni hair products. I had a coupon, so I was able to get mine for about $3 or $4. But from what I could tell, the price ranged along $6.59, $6.99, something like that. That's not even including taxes, so keep that in mind. So yeah, so far I'm okay with what I see. We'll see how I like it within 30-60 days. That concludes today's video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you too in the next one. Smooches.